Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off BRIM in Creality print. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now first what you are going to do is insert your 3D model, and yeah, let's say you have already. Now what we need to do is make sure that you are in prepare tab right here, and that you have enabled advanced mode here. So this one, like so. Now what we are going to do is select the model, and then here you see these small icons, basically the tools menu. Go here to others, and right here you see that we have BRIM type. Now to turn off BRIM, you just simply here on BRIM type select no BRIM, and this is basically it. You have successfully disabled. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.